I'm available for all sort of Mylab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2F bonus. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: Mylab Accounting, Mylab Finance, Mylab Math, Mylab Excel, Mylab Word, Mylab Assess, all Microsoft courses and all online courses. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments project, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Excel 2F bonus. You can see here is the title of assignment, and then here is the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Question number 1 is that open the Excel file. Student, Excel 2F bonus, Excel has download with this project. Basically in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson at the lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson at the lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. You can see this my Excel workbook. Okay. You can see this my Excel workbook. Sheet 1 and sheet 2. This is 2 sheets in this Excel workbook. Okay, now moving on question number 2. In this question number 2 is that rename sheet 1 as northern and rename sheet 2 as southern. Okay, you can see on my PC screen. Now I am moving on Excel workbook, then I am doing this question number 2. First I will rename sheet 1 as northern, and then we will rename sheet 2 name as southern. Okay, right click on this sheet 1 and then click on rename button. Okay, and then we will copy and paste here, or we will type here northern, NORTHER, and northern, and then northern is the sheet 1, and then sheet 2 is that southern. Okay, we will copy this name southern, and then we will type sheet 2 name as southern. Right click on sheet 2, click on rename button, and then we'll type here SOUTHER and southern. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions right now. Question number 3 is that first I have done this question. Now moving on question number 3. The question number 3 is that select the northern sheet tab to make it to active sheet, and then group the worksheet in cell A1. Type Rosedale, landscape, and garden, and then merge and center the text across the range A1 to F1. Okay, you can read this question, then I will apply on my Excel workbook. Okay, Rosedale, landscape, and garden, and then merge and center the text across the range A1 to F1. Apply the title cell style. Merge and center the text in cell A2 across the range A2 to F2, and then apply the heading 3 cell style. The first point is that select the northern sheet tab to make it the active sheet. Moving on Excel workbook, click on northern sheet, and then we will click on cell A1. First we will active sheet, and then group the sheet. Right click on this. Okay, or we will click on northern sheet and then press shift and then select second sheet. Press shift and then select second sheet. Both sheets are grouped. Then in cell A1 we will type Rosedale, landscape, and garden. We will click on cell A1. We will type in the formula bar Rosedale, landscape, and garden. Landscape and garden. landscape and garden. Okay, then moving on, next point is that, and then merge and center the text across the range AF to F1. We will select this cell range A1 to F1. Then we will go to the home tab. In the alignment group, click on merge and center button. Okay, then apply the title cell style. Go to the styles group. In the cell style button, we will select title cell style. Then merge and center the text in cell 2 across the range A2 to F2. We will select this range A2 to F2. A2 to F2. Go to the home tab. In the alignment group, click on merge and center button. Okay. Then apply the heading 3 cell style. We will select this range and then go to the home tab. In the styles group, click on cell style button and then apply heading 3 cell style. Okay, the next question is that question number 4. I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. The next question is that question number 4. The bonus rates for each salesperson are determined sales amount using the following scales. Sales eligible for bonus greater than $35,000 earn a bonus rate of 5%. Sales greater than $25,000 earn a bonus rate of 4%. All other sales earn a bonus rate of 2%. Okay, with the sheet still grouped in cell C5, use an if-else function to determine the bonus rate for the first salesperson. Whole sales are in cell B5. Fill the formula down through cell C8. The basic in this question, we will enter in cell C5, use the function if-else function to determine the bonus rate for the first salesperson. We will go to the cell C5. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then in cell C5 enter if-else function. Okay, click on cell C5, press is equal to, still sheets is grouped, and then enter a function is that if-else function. If-else function. Okay, the function is if-else function. Okay, if-else function, and then the next is that okay, B5 greater than, B5 is sale eligible for bonus, and then 35,000. Okay, inverted commas, I am entering formula in here. Okay, 35,000 inverted commas 5%. This is given in the question. I have read this question. Now I am entering formula if into B5. Okay, sales eligible for bonus B5 and comma 25. Sorry, B5 greater than 25,000. Then in inverted commas enter 4%. Then if function into 5% less than 25,000 in inverted commas 2%. Okay, then we will press enter and total compensation will be found in cell F5. Sorry, C5. We will find bonus rate in cell C5. You can see bonus rate is 4%. I have entered a formula. Then fill the formula down through cell C8. Fill the formula down through cell C8. We will copy formula down through cell C8. Use fill handle through cell C8. Now next question is that now I am going to doing the next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Question number 5 is that in cell D5 calculate bonus for read by multiplying okay, bonus for read by multiplying the sales eligible for bonus time the bonus rate. Copy the formula down through cell D8. The first point is that in cell D5 we will calculate bonus for rate by multiplying the sale eligible for bonus time the bonus rate. Okay, moving on Excel verbo, click on cell D5, press is equal to, we will multiplying the eligible for bonus, okay, B5 multiplying by C5 is bonus rate, then press enter, it will be find bonus in cell D5. You can see I have done this question. Now copy the formula down through cell D8. Copy the formula down through cell D8. Okay. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now I am going to doing question number 6. The question number 6 is that in cell F5, okay, you can read this question. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. In cell C5, F5, calculate total compensation by summing the bonus and base salary for read. Copy the formula down through cell F8. Basically in this question we will find the total compensation in cell F5 by summing the bonus and base salary for read. Press is equal to cell F5. We will find total compensation in cell F5. Press is equal to, okay, by summing the bonus and base salary for read. By summing the bonus in cell D5 is bonus. Base salary plus bonus, okay, E5 plus D5, press enter, it will define total compensation in cell F5. You can see I have done this question. Now next point is that copy the formula down through cell F8. We will copy the formula down through cell at F8. Okay, the question is done now. The next question is that question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question, sorry, I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that in row 9, you can read this. In row 9, use a function to sum the columns for sales eligible for bonus, base salary and total compensation. Apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places to the appropriate cells in row 5 and row 9. Apply autofill to any column in which the column with error displays. Basically in this question, first point is that in row 9, use a function to sum the column for sales eligible for bonus, salary and total compensation. Okay, we will find the sum for sales eligible column. Press is equal to in cell B9. We will find sum of this sales eligible for bonus column. Press is equal to enter sum function. The range is B5 to B8. B5 to B8. Then we will press enter. It will be find sum of sales eligible for bonus in cell B9. Okay, now we will press is equal to in column in column C9. Press is equal to enter sum function into the range. The value in the range is that C5 to C8. Then we will press enter. It will be find the sum of bonus rate. Then we will go to the column D, bonus column, or we will scroll right scroll, and then it will find all sum in these columns, in this row. Now we will apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places to the appropriate cell in row 5 and row 9. We will click here, enter sum function, okay, you can see, one second, I have done, I have find sum for this columns, sales eligible for bonus and bonus column, base salary and total compensation column. You can see this is given in the question. I have find sum for these columns. Now I am moving for next point. The next point is given in the question. I will apply accounting number format with 2 decimal places. Okay, apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places to the appropriate cell in row 5 and row 9. We will select row 5. We will go to the home tab and then apply accounting format with 2 decimal places. Okay, we will select first row 5, go to the home tab in the number group, apply accounting number format. Okay, click on accounting number format button in the number group with 2 decimal places. Then we will select row 9 and then apply accounting number format. Okay, in the number group apply accounting number format on this. Then apply the next point is that then apply the autofill to any column in which column with error display. Okay, this is also done now. Now moving on, question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. I am going to doing question number 8. The question number 8 is that apply the comma style with 2 decimal places to the appropriate cell in row 6 to 8. Then apply the total cell style to B9 and D9 to F9. First point is that apply the comma style with 2 decimal places to the appropriate rows cells in row 6 to 8. We will select row 6 to 8, row 6 to 8. We will apply comma style in the home tab in the number group. Click on comma style button. Okay, comma style will be applied on this. Then we will apply the total cell style to B9 and D9 to F9. We will click on cell B9. We will go to the home tab in this styles group. Click on cell style button. We will apply total cell style. Then we will select D9 to F9. Then we will go to the home tab in the styles group. Click on cell style button. We will apply total cell style. You can see this. I have done this assignment 80% for remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, if you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. If you do not able to do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on my RT Lab Pearson, Cengagement Tab, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to all students. Thank you so much.